Lesson 001.
Needles and threads. To start, you only need these things. You don't need a machine right away. First, we'll learn to master the needle by hand, create simple embroidery. Needles come in all shapes and sizes, with eyes ranging from large to tiny. Some are so small that threading them feels nearly impossible without a little help or a clever hack. Of course, you'll find some needles are much easier to handle than others. Let's start with the one that's usually hardest to handle.
You will need threader, works even with small sizes, but be careful with thread thickness.
Now when threader is in needle, you can do it easy, makes big opening. Pull it slowly and it's done. Don't forget to tie a knot. Look, you can't do that. Thread has to be good for the size of the needle. Look now how easy it is with easy threading needles. You probably will have no issues to thread the bigger sizes needles. To sum up, the easiest way to start your sewing journey is by using easy threading needles. They make the whole process quick and effortless. Once your needle is threaded, don't forget to tie a knot at the end of the thread. If you're working with thinner thread or loose fabric, feel free to make it a double knot for extra security. Now you're ready to sew.